Greetings, colleagues and judges. We are team Not the NSA. We promise. And today we are going to discuss our solution to iVerify's first use case, which we have termed EyeSpy, the scale invariant mask creator. EyeSpy works by encouraging the user to find the correct facial location and distance by creating a mask from camera-obtained facial data, such that when the user moves their face to fit the mask, they will be in a good region for verification. The objective for this use case was to design an image capture process and UI that makes it easier for users to correctly position the phone and capture their face and eye regions in a way that is not CPU intensive. Our assumption for this app was that the face area relative to the canvas area was a good enough approximation to the distance of the user from the camera, such that when the user obtained this area, they also obtained the correct distance. Our solution creates a mask from the user that is scale invariant. That is, when we have a face streamed in to the camera which has no dramatic tilt to it. We can create a mask, in this case a mustache or glasses, that will fit correctly once the user is the right distance and location on the screen. As the masks are all planar and centered, when the user dons them accurately, their face will be fairly untilted, centered in the correct area as well. The workflow is fairly simple. We determine via the Google Mobile Vision API where the user's face is. Then we apply a rescaling technique to determine how big each side of the rectangle needs to be in order to fill the right area and center it. Then we determine the face proportions for resizing the masks. We put the mask in the right location on the screen. Once the user has been in the right location on the screen and fits the mask long enough as indicated by a gray bar, the device will show an unlock animation. Note, in the upcoming example, the mustache will resize to the individual's lips, while the glasses will be a proportion of the needed rectangle itself. Here is the device being tested on 3 users, 1 advanced and 2 brand new users using the software. As it becomes easier to remember the location of the mustache as you train yourself of how to maneuver and use it, the advanced user finishes quickly. Do note the gray bar and the unlock mechanism. The brand new users are able to finish fairly well and don't look miserable while they're doing it. The bounding boxes are also not necessary to show and can be removed if found clunky, as shown in the second video. The lines there are proportional lines which will give insight into how our app works. Finally, glasses and other things can obstruct the view and should be taken off, and once they are, the right location is found easily. Finally, we'd like to thank you all for watching. We've enjoyed the Fall 2016 Hackathon and hope to get the opportunity to talk more about the strengths and versatility of this app and its design and architecture and future. Thank you.